What is up, YouTube? I received another package from the HK Now store, so as always, I'm gonna do an unboxing. So I'm pretty excited about this puzzle. This puzzle was a cooperated puzzle by the HK Now store and Mefferts.com, so you can order it from either place. I ordered it from the HK Now store because their shipping is normally a little bit faster. So here we go, we got a business card, like always, and here it is. So, as you can see, I ordered the Venus cube. So this puzzle is basically a normal 3x3, but it has different shaped pieces. So this puzzle is very unique because you have puzzles like the bump cube and the China puzzles or top designer puzzles or Mefferts that are shape modifications, but this one has just the individual pieces different, and it still looks the same and acts the same as a normal 3x3. So the turn of this puzzle is actually very good. It's definitely finger trickable. The colors of this puzzle are yellow, opposite pink, orange. Oh, well, that's red, I guess. It's like orange, bright orange opposite light orange, and blue opposite green. And it has the fluorescent textured stickers on it, so that's nice. This puzzle was originally designed by Grigoriev, and he called it the Fluffy Cube. And his version wasn't pillowed. As you can see, this puzzle is slightly pillowed. So yeah, this puzzle, it's very nice. Turns good. It does cut corners a little bit. Actually, it cuts corners quite a bit. Not quite half, but still, it's pretty good. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly do a solve. And normally I start with the white side, but there's no white side for this puzzle, so I'll start with pink, I guess. I'm not exactly a speed solver, so I might speed this video up a little bit. So I got the cross solved. Looks pretty cool. This piece right here, it kind of like sticks out over the corner piece. So as you can see, when you turn it, this piece is hanging out and it crosses over the center piece, so that's pretty cool. So I now have the first two layers solved. Turning this puzzle is very nice. And so the puzzle is now solved. It is a little hard to identify between this bright orange color and this lighter orange color. But other than that, it's pretty fun. It turns exactly like a normal 3x3. And the pieces make it look pretty unique. It definitely looks cooler than a normal 3x3. And this is my first pillowed 3x3 as well. So it looks pretty cool. The centerpieces are, the shape of them is very interesting, and how the pieces they pass over top of the other pieces, so that's cool. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do a disassembly of this puzzle, and it's a little different than an average 3x3 because it has a ball core similar to the MF8 Legend. And so we're going to disassemble it and compare the two cores of these puzzles. Whoops. So, here's an edge piece. As you can see, the corner piece fits in right over like that. And here is a corner piece. So let's go ahead and disassemble it the rest of the way. So here's the core. As you can see, it is a ball unlike the normal 8-armed core, and the springs are actually inside the ball, so that's pretty cool. And these caps I think the caps are glued on. I can't seem to pull them off. And I'm not going to try to force them. I don't want to bend this plastic. So now I'm just going to take apart the MF8 Legend. And the pieces of these two puzzles are a lot different. So here are two of the edges. And here are two corners. So you can see. This is almost like their Meffert's Mega Mix has pieces like this. So here are the two cores. They look pretty similar to me. I'm not exactly sure what the difference is, but they have a similar concept. So I'm going to go ahead and reassemble this puzzle. So now it's back together. So this puzzle's pretty interesting, the mechanism. It's a normal 3x3 but with a ball core, so similar to a 4x4. The turning of this puzzle is very nice, but I definitely wouldn't recommend it to a CBCuber. It's definitely more of a collector's item, because it's a shape modification of a 3x3, but it doesn't affect the solving. You still don't have to orient the centers, as you do on some of the 3x3 modifications that are out. It's pretty cool that they were able to do that, and the stickers of this puzzle are very nice. The vinyl, the fluorescent stickers, they just look great, and they seem pretty durable. This puzzle overall is pretty sturdy. It's a nice 3x3. It turns well. But other than that, there's not much to say about it. It's just a normal 3x3. It's very nice. I got it from the HK Now store. You can also get it from Meffert's. It was a co-operated puzzle, so I guess they worked together to get this puzzle out there. So this has been my unboxing and review of the Venus puzzle. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.